Hi everyone, I'm Hamed. In this video, we want to see how we can make a modern mobile payment terminal. But before that, I have to introduce ePrism to you. ePrism is a low-cost IoT device that is pretty much like a computer. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio output, 2.4 inches full color display, USB and more. But more importantly, it is fully programmable. Let's go ahead and get into unboxing of ePrism. Okay, as you can see, even the box is like a prism. On the back, it has a list of features and a sticker that shows the touch button's color. On the bottom, it says it is Arduino compatible, which means you can use Arduino to program it. Okay, let's open it. Within the box, we have a device and a USB cable. You can use the USB cable to run the device and also program it. Here's the device. As you can see, it is pretty compact. You can peel the screen protector off. On the back, it has a speaker, USB port, and some free pins, which you can use to connect to external devices like a lock or a barcode reader. Let's peel it off. It also has a touch button which is pretty sensitive and a tiny hole for a microphone, although it doesn't support it yet. Okay, let's go to the next step and set up our payment application on it. After you connect the device to the USB port, it runs the default application. This application tests each part of the device separately, like LCD, audio, touch button, CPU, and so on. Then we can use ePrism command line tools. To set up the tools, you need to have Python on your PC, either Python 2 or Python 3. In some operating system, you have one version of Python by default. Besides the Python, you also need to install pip. You can follow the official documentation about installing pip and Python on python.org. After that, you can set up ePrism tools using pip. Just type pip install ePrism. You can use ePrism.py command to set up the application, either by typing the application name, the application URL, or the file name on your computer. The LCD goes black, and in about 30 seconds, the application is ready. Now it's the time to set up the server. To simplify the setup procedure, we use Kubernetes and Helm. Thanks to the magic of Kubernetes, you can set up a cluster using just a single command. It set up everything for you: the application server, database, SSO, load balancer, and everything that the application needs. Just simply run helm install and set the domain name, application name, and a workspace in your current directory. Just run the command and things magically start working. And the application can scale automatically when it's required. Now we need to connect the device to Wi-Fi. It's simple and fun. Simply scan the QR code on the device or connect to SSID with name Paybox. The password is 128. And your device is connected to hotspot created by the device. Then a login page or notification of it appears on your mobile phone. Follow the setup procedure. Choose your SSID and type the password. You also need the ID and password of the terminal. Complete the setup and the device starts automatically and the payment QR code shows up. payment procedure is quite simple and straightforward. The user scans the code using any application he wants or using the camera itself. And depending on the payment method you added, the payment page opens. The user completes the payment and immediately confirmation shows up on the screen. And both the user and cashier can see it. Thanks to the API service provide, you can integrate almost any payment method or gateway simply. It is very secure and also abstract all the device and IoT difficulties to simplify things for you. I hope you enjoyed it and bye!